to my channel. It's so good to have you back, but if you are new to this channel, it is so good to see you for the first time. You're highly welcome. To show you on this video today is something that is going to help you or help your friend who might be having problem with acne scars, black spots, excess sebum on the face. Because when it comes to all of that, your girl here, Ida Francis, actually had a fair share of all of that. So I actually tried a lot of helpful remedies that actually worked as well for my face. Okay, and I believe that this will actually work for your face. So if you're suffering from black spot, acne scars, breakout, pimples, either on your chest or on your back, because that is the places that you tend to break out the most, because the skin on your chest and your back and your face are the same. So that's where you see people breaking out on their chest, face, and on their back. Let's just go and see how I prepared this for my face. What I'll be using to make this mask is an egg, a petroleum jelly, and my rice flour. This is where my rice flour is. But before I continue, let me just quickly tell you a bit of eggs and why I actually choose egg to make this facial care. So eggs actually have a lot of benefits. So it will remove facial hairs, it will tighten and shrink large pores that are on your face, and it will actually leave your skin glowing. If you have an oily skin, you should actually try this, because using egg will actually reduce the sebum production on your face. Also, eggs also fight off and prevent acne scars. It will help you get rid of blackheads and under eye puffiness. It will also check wrinkles and fine lines. White have astringent properties that will help shrink pores by tightening the skin. What I'm gonna do is to break the egg. So I'm gonna be using almost everything. Egg, I'm going to add a 1 teaspoon of the rice flour. You could actually use any rice of your choice. So if you can't find the rice flour in the shops, you could actually get your rice and use a bullet blender to make into a powdery form. The rice also have this property that will also minimize the appearance of pores and also tighten your skin as well. So that's why I'm actually choosing this rice flour for this preparation. So, and I'm just gonna take a Vaseline and have to take this off my spoon. Okay, I'm gonna take a Vaseline, like half a teaspoon of it. So I'm gonna take half a teaspoon of the Vaseline, and the next thing I'm going to do is to add the egg. So yeah, first of all I'm gonna add the white, because the egg white has numerous benefits. So first of all I'm gonna add the egg white, and I'm going to mix this together. You can see it's not actually easy, but it is doable. So the Vaseline is actually going to help make this mask to stay on your face. So I'm gonna add just a tablespoon of the egg yolk. Just only a tablespoon of the egg yolk is enough for this preparation. One tip I'm gonna give you is that to avoid preparing this thing every other day for your face, you could actually make it and leave it in your fridge, and you can use it anytime that you need. Okay, so we're having our facial mask, and it's coming out very nice. Okay, I still have a bit of this here, so ensure that you pushed everything in. Okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna mix it again. Yeah, so after mixing it, you can see it's very light. It's like a rice pudding. So I'm gonna use this and show you how you will apply this thing to your face. Okay, so I'm just gonna be using my hand to show you this. Okay, I hope you wouldn't mind. You could actually use your hand as well to apply it, or if you have something like this, you could apply, can use it as well. Okay, so just make sure that you rub it the whole of your face, cover it all the way to your neck. And if you're also experiencing acne breakout on your back and on your chest, you could actually use this as well. So I'll encourage you use this at night and wash it off in the morning. So you apply it before you go to bed, but please allow it to dry off before you go to bed so that you won't actually need to mess up your bed. Okay, so just leave this for it to dry, then you wash it off with warm water. Please ensure that you wash it off with warm water, and you're just going to notice how your face is gonna glow. Okay, that was just a simple way on how you could actually prepare that. Please do try this out. Do try it out, and when you do, please hurry back to this channel and drop your feedback on how it actually worked for you. As usual, do not forget to share this information with your friends. Okay, don't be stingy with the information, and if you haven't subscribed up till this point, please, what are you even waiting for? Support me. Let me know that you actually want me to be doing more of this stuff. Okay, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well with ID Francis. Okay, and when you come to my Instagram, please do well tell me that you are coming from the YouTube family. Okay, until another time when ID Francis will come your way, bye, and I wish you a